guys, today we'll be making an adorable Ruffle Scrunch Valentine's Day Deco Mesh Wreath. What you will need: I have a 14-inch wreath ring, 6-inch Deco mesh, Chanel stems, scissors, and a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So I have cut my 6-inch mesh into 8-inch long pieces. So sometimes I place my stems and then add my bundles, and sometimes I make my bundles and then place it on my wreath ring. This time I'm going to make my bundles first and then place them on the wreath ring. So I have cut my 6-inch mesh into 8-inch long pieces, and I have cut my stems into thirds. Now you can layer them one on top of the other like this and scrunch in the center, or you can layer them halfway on top of each other, so kind of midway like that, and then scrunch it in the center. For this specific wreath, I'm layering them one on top of the other. And I'm alternating the color order. I don't want all of one color on top and another color hidden at the bottom the entire wreath. So I just scrunch that, take my stem, twist it, just like that. Each one has a different color on top. So it gives, together it meshes well together and it looks so cute and adorable. Alright, I'm going to get all of my bundles made and then we'll start placing it on our wreath. Alright, so I have all of my bundles made. I have alternated my color order. So now we're going to start placing them on the wreath. And you can, if you made your stems longer, you can place them around every two, you know, the outer two, inner two, outer two, inner two. Or you can just work with the two center rings, outer, inner. Or you could even kind of just alternate it from each ring. Whichever you prefer. All styles look cute, just personal preference. For this specific wreath, I think I'm going to stick to the center two rings this time. So I'm going to take my bundle, place it on the outer center ring, and twist it a couple of times, and then tuck it away. And when I'm placing my bundles, I like to alternate which color I have on top as I'm placing it as well. Alright, so the next bundle is going to go on the inner center ring. Twist it a couple of times and tuck it away. And the next bundle is going to go back to the outer, so I'm alternating outer, inner. And I'm going to go with 4 bundles in each section, but you can go with more or less. It just depends on how large and poofy you want your wreath to be. So this is one section. This is what it's looking like. So cute and precious. Once I get all my bundles placed, I'm going to flare out and fluff up each bundle. But this is one section. Alright, I'm going to continue going all the way around the wreath. Alternating outer, inner. Okay, so we are halfway done. This is what it's looking like. And this is the back. You can see it's alternating inner, outer, all the way around the wreath. Alright, I'm going to continue on and show you the finished product. Alright, so I've just finished placing my bundles. It looks so cute and precious. You can definitely leave it like this, or you can separate the bundles. I always prefer to separate the bundles, even just a little bit, because that just makes it look more fun and whimsical, and it flares out and you're able to see more of the colors, and it just looks really pretty. If you want to leave it layered how it is, you can do that as well. But you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. I feel like this wreath is just so cute, precious, and adorable, just like this. So I'm going to just finish up here. You can add any additional embellishments you prefer. You can add flowers, ribbons, bows, roses, an adorable sign to the center. The possibilities are endless. Or you can leave it just like this. Both ways are cute. Both ways are precious. It just depends on what you're going for. So